Джера. Анюха банут. Анюха харатла. На данный момент Арагун готовится. Приходите снова после полудня. Понятно. Да, задание враховали. О, блядь, дальше.
Turned into a bunch of killers, I mean it. We ain't even got the delusion of being anything but a bunch of killers.
We are just trying to survive, Hosea. We don't have a choice. This will end soon.
Damn right it will.
Constipated as usual. Micah told me of a place we can lie low. Look here. Dewberry Creek, he said. Okay. Maybe you and Charles will go take a look and clear off anyone you find before the whole lot of us move in looking so conspicuous. And how are we gonna do that? I don't know.
Короче, понятно. Hedge göstübüt onda John'u öldürüp bıhlak. Самный лучник. Bu kimi? Elemechik turada. Аппан растын var братан. Кәдес. Adım Pildis gitti. Едем. Так, рухар это Дюкбери энтехарах дойдуны. Хылдюстерим. Забис. Отвер для конюшней бар. Быгылы вырық. Хуйняв. Атом выносливый болтақ. Джубба. Нихуя только атака, бля.
Nothing more than low-down criminals. Which, hang on a second. I think that must be it up ahead, the old dried-up creek. Seems very open. Yeah, it does. Ain't sure to be the best in the rain, neither. Well, let's take a look around. Hey, I see something over there. You see it? Someone on the ground there. Shot. Let's be careful, Arthur. There's a camp just up ahead. Sure. Let's get ready for business. Any issues? Shoot first, debate second. I'm gonna shoot for the sick of it. All right, Charles, let's go take a look. Look, here it is. A few tents, but place looks empty.
А так, кухонный банюга ролл табаком была. Ты, например, законник плохо морал. Он кино сахат алып делал.
Okay? Come out of there. You okay?
okay?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Ne mister?
No. Now go on. Get out of here. Go. We need the land. Go. Get the hell out of
They
here.
took our father.
Who did?
Men last night.
Where did they take him? Ain't no business of ours. I don't even speak their language.
You ain't as tough and dense as all that. Come on, Arthur.
The girl was pointing this way. Let's see if we can pick up a trail. There. Tracks. Come on.
I don't see nothing.
Hoof marks. This way. What's going on with you?
What do you mean?
We're just gonna send that woman and her children on their way?
We're wanted, man. We got Pinkertons running down. We should be moving camp, not running off on some wild goose. Trace.
Come on, Arthur. That's not how you are.
Well, maybe you don't know me as well as you think you do.
Hey. So, what happened with those Pinkertons anyway? When you were fishing with...
Said they were on to us. Offered me freedom if I turned Dutch here.
They picked the wrong man there.
We should have moved right then, if you ask me. Bastards told me they'd killed Mac. Said it right in front of Jack.
That kid, it's gonna be tough for him.
Yeah, but he has more folk looking out for him than most of the rest of us had growing up.
John said he was going back to the auction yard to collect the money. Sheep.
Aha oldu doğru hadi lan.
You're going anywhere near that town right now.
Aho seyahat edelim.
You reckoned he'd be able to slip
Abba güle kabanlar.
Oh, well. If it's just
Ha seyahat edelim.
idea, it must be a good one.
easy? What is it with you and him?
He disappeared on us for a while. When he was real young, a long while. Year,
He did?
and we was family, you know. Guess I still ain't forgiving him for that.
Bu hocalar bulup da.
There's a camp up ahead.
Careful. Whoa.
Seems deserted. Let's take a look.
Where is this guy?
I don't know. But you know something? This is a better camp spot than back there. Much easier to defend.
Maybe. This looks like our feller, Charles.
Quick. Cut him free. Let's get out of here.
Vorsicht, Vorsicht! Das ist eine Flamme! Vorsicht!
Three coming right at us.
You get the hell away from him!
What are we doing? This ain't even our goddamn fight.
Get rid of these bastards! That derby's our time, everybody, boys!
Do that close.
Doesn't look like it.
Бля граната var oldu.
Last one's making a run for it. Take him down.
Dank für Ihre Hilfe.
Yeah, okay. Here, you wait there a second. Charles, go find Dutch. Get the caravan to divert here. This spot should
Oo lan bu bana bolu. Venite polis. Bari kaça.
So like you were saying before. Alright, come on. I'll take you back to your family.
Was machen wir jetzt? Also soll ich mitkommen?
Bize bir slagar buldu bu dağda.
Wo bringen Sie mich hin?
What the hell did you do to those fellas?
Wie bitte?
Those men back there, why did they take you?
Geld. Money. Meiner Familie gehört eine Goldmine. Sie wollen Lösegeld erpressen.
How did someone even come up with them words?
Von deiner Familie? Vielen Dank. Wie haben Sie sie gefunden?
Ки немести хараад нэг английский дрик касал бепенс немести харади бут. Кто же придумал такие слова и тут? А там она задание şey bağlı. Делаешь добро. Оу. Bro, ahıklara da.
Dem Herrgott sei Dank. Schatz!
Ich hab gedacht, du seist tot.
Beinahe wärst du gewesen. Meine Lieblinge. Meine Herz allerliebst. Oh, wie wunderbar. Oh,
Sie sind ein großer Mann.
ja.
Ein großer Mann.
Ja, wirklich.
Es ist ein Segen, dass wir Sie getroffen haben.
Come on, now get out of here. This place ain't safe. Get out of here!
Ja, ja.
Hm.
Ich hab was für Sie. Einen Moment. Dankeschön. Thank you.
Duydu.
Vielen Dank.
Oh, zolta utta.
Guess it was a pleasure.
Ну, нихуя себе. Золотой слиток.
You were right. Oh, this place. Oh, it'll be perfect for us. Hello, Arthur. Dutch. Miss Grimshaw, Mr. Pearson, put everyone to work. Make this place a home. Well, I don't know where the hell we are, but we are going to make the best of it.
Это полуостров Клеменс. Топ по Гердмехнавар. Открытый баймест. А хотя ты вот это нормально это, не? Вроде как. Несколько дней спустя. О, как раз у нарком такие ребята умным тогда. Маленький золотой слиток. Так, доброе утро. Доброе утро. Пожертвовать. Хочу, блядь, тут уйти на. Да ладно. Одна предмет все-таки. Там благородное дело Букеха. Аба, чара. Онова атлыгы разу медикаменты дады, аснады. Да, кор. Нихуя жанр уже угар болбутты деп көрүнгүтү. Басамен угаратын деги. Блинкенин көрүн. Чарльз, Седи, Ленни, Джон, Карл, Чарльз. Оймай турам барам. Джон. Ну, по $5, по 45 центов. Вообще нормально, дигна. Так, туры манда тугамер атлахи кавлади. Тоники, дорогие спиртные напитки. Купить. Мой обращение, как естественно, все на этой. Вау. Это круто. Так, свежие фрукты. Буки мяха надо. Кем это? Пирсон. Мистер Пирсон. Повысил количество, увеличить количество программ походной кухни. Вы можете плату в основном запалка походной кухни. Оу, чокай. Так. Жевать табак и высококачественные консервы. Калла. Эми Пирсон. Вау. Для Пирсона все самое лучшее. Басок повар быть никак. Бутву, кокаиновые жвачки и сладости. Давай, Пирсон, все для тебя, братан, все для тебя. Хорошо. Что у вас? Так, следующая страница. Скоро дальше. Метательные ножи, патрон для дробовика и винтовки. Следующее позвание. Артуру нужна карта, чтобы помочь планировать поездки. Так, где потом? Ага. Лодка лагеря. Мне попался путешественник. Так, курятник лодка там, мать тебя. Надо лук. Более качественный рагу. Вау. Пирсон Вол байда. Так, мангараджа пополнить запасы их бевер. Тибет. Так. Пирсон Вол кухня вот он. Нихуя пожертвую дату в итоге. О, вала. Кухня лапыти да. А? Так, мимо асурок папта кен. Так, Пирсон, мен бултуадым, короче, это. Üçüge et ağlıyorum benim. Volta бар. Татакарда бултом онтон каяпы задание вырыпты. Индикут. Так, а теперь Тора... Ага, бутро. Отправить. Тора, да. Вот тут Тора. Бля, марманын такова бяда бар. Таханда бар алдыр кабандан. Стоп. Хорош.
Steady. Easy, fella. What cargo you bringing through here? Easy there. I'm trying to get these supplies to the federal building. It's on your knee. Federal ain't got no authority here. We'll be taking them goods for the citizens of Lemoyne. You fellas are crazier than you look. Crazy? It's paying tax to land grubbers up north. Now get out! I declare these goods the property of the citizens of Lemoyne. Let's move!
You're done for now.
We gonna burn your corpse, boy.
Да, во, бултаты бултатым.
Easy, whoa. Yep.
Так, канатлыуты. Ладно, скупщик повозок. Бар атламаяқына жас. Тұлға ғыздық. О, бля. Атат тұқ 10 таққар болды жеба оты. Острый козырьки. Для 5 забистеря алдым. Ратты чугатым духовту. Ой, чугатым. Хуяли, бля. Тохтара, да я что-то вообще не догоняю. А что случилось-то вообще, бля? Блять, каналагн, тварь. Нихуя себе, ты бодром надо, что ли? Это кемнятли, да? Законники, что ли? Гребаные федералы, бля. Кәлі пәшті. Алтын лағырбы барамын персіңе әт берем. Еде табаны индейканы онна кролик зайысты. Ок. Сатай.
Got something here for you.
The hell you done to this poor thing? Here, pleasure.
Че, вперед на базу. Идеально болта тут. Идеально деньги заработал. Ой. Да, знакомые места. Надо пошли, что ли. Блин, да. Так. Nyt разом она попап не бігали. То їбать рано геть тапти. Ой-ка, бля. Суки, откуда нахуй налетели-то, бля? А? Пистолет возьми, уебан. Kim olur bile? Или то худук. Бэхэ PUBG-га не буду олта bunu той бутырып, оны той атанла була кейін. Айо, я пирса тем би жаттыргыт. Господи боже мой.
Say whatever you damn well please, but I tell you, if I don't get out of here soon, I'm gonna kill somebody.
And if you don't stop hissing at me, I'm gonna kill you.
You come near me, sailor, and I'll slice you up.
You put that knife down or you're gonna be missing a hand.
What is wrong with you two?
I ain't chopping vegetables for a living.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam. Was there insufficient feathers in your pillow?
I ain't lazy, Mr. Morgan. I'll work, but not this.
Well, ain't cooking work?
My husband and I, we shared the work. All of it. I was out in the fields. I can
Не. To'xta be. И... тут оказывается город.
You cool down then yet?
I guess. No, I ain't no scullion, and I sure as hell ain't taking orders from that sweating half-wit.
I guess we all gotta do our share, princess.
Where's that letter?
Are you reading his mail now?
Oh, robbing and killing's okay, but letter reading's where we draw the line.
Here.
Dear Aunt Kathy,
You are something else.
I haven't heard from you in some time, so I pray to the Lord above that your health has not deteriorated further. Blah, blah, blah. Boring. Ooh. Wait a sec. Listen to this. Since we last corresponded, I have traveled widely, making no small name for myself
No, you insane?
I thought we was outlaws.
Outlaws. Not idiots. We outlaws around other places. These people, they're just trying to get by. So you head on in there and buy some food to eat. No guns.
You're sure?
This time. There'll be time for killing soon enough.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go check the mail. Nothing exciting.
Looking to sell your wares or buy some of the finest meat to ever grace this town? Okay, then.
Thanks, mister.
What did you get there, Harold?
Nothing.
What do you mean?
Бля. Штрафта бутылек надо ведь.
Can I help you, mister?
Yes, I would like to post a letter.
All right. Okay, no trouble.
Thank you.
Bye now.
I heard some stuff. I can't even imagine what he's got down there.
Cold with more strength than you. Hell, my sister's newborn had more strength than you, and he came out bright blue.
I'm trying.
Try harder.
Some dead man kicked out my pa's walking cane. I think this is everything.
Thanks. Here, take that for yourself, okay?
Thanks.
Well, give it back then. Jesus. I didn't ask for his goddamn help.
Why don't you drive?
Okay.
Come on, lady, get a move on.
I like Sadie, not lady.
I know.
Yeah,
So, you get everything?
I think so.
And some new clothes, I see.
Don't start. I can wear what I damn well want. Like I told you, my husband. I shared all the work. I wasn't some little wife with a flower in her hair baking cherry pies all day.
Yeah, I don't doubt that. You sure look the part now. Won't be long before you're smoking cigars and playing the harmonica.
I'll have you know. I used to love playing the harmonica before. Well, my house and everything I own got burned to the ground.
I know. I'm real sorry about what you know. Maybe I'll keep my eye out for another one.
I don't want no pity. I know nobody's taking nothing from me ever again.
Just don't kill the canned cook.
Hey there!
Hey,
What you folks up to?
just heading home.
You're in Lemoyne Raider country.
Keep it cool.
You need to
Sadie.
pay a toll to pass through here.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? How about you pull over right now?
Pull over.
That's what I said.
Hey, how's about this?
What the hell was that?
They was gonna rob us.
New pair of pants? Think you're landing rings?
Oh, shut up. I'm gonna run this son of a bitch down. Yeah.
Well, you wanted to see some action, lady. Now you got your wish.
Блядь.
Hey there, sis.
О, да сука.
I don't remember asking you to prove it. We trained for this.
Only one's paying a goddamn toll, sons of bitches!
Ladies, you are enjoying this far too much.
There, see? No,
Да.
I think we're good here, Arthur.
Туф.
Ah, shoot. All right, I'll grab his bag. Are you coming then?
No, pass those reins here.
Why?
Because you've caused enough trouble already.
I'm fine. We showed those bastards, huh?
Remind me not to get on your bad side.
Can't you go any faster? And they was clearly planning to bushwhack us.
Did good. But that's a lot of mess to make near camp. Hope it don't bring anyone sniffing around.
Are you gonna tell Ditch?
Maybe. If he asks. But maybe not.
Careful! So who did they say they were? Lemoyne Raiders?
Yeah, something like that. Who knows? Anyway, don't you go ribbing Pearson about that letter.
How dare you? I wouldn't dream of it.
Right, you wouldn't.
I have traveled widely, making no small name for myself.
I won't be giving you no mail to post anytime soon, that's for sure.
I just want to peek in that journal of yours. The mind boggles.
Not a chance.
You didn't get yourself killed then, Miss Adler.
Not quite.
Well, I'd like to say I missed your refined conversations, but I'd be lying.
I enjoyed myself out there.
Yes, Mrs. Adler did okay.
That shopping.
Yes, that's shopping.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Don't mention it. I would ride with you again, Mrs. Adler, if you ride with me.
Maybe. If you prove you can handle yourself.
Well, they say I lack I ain't afraid of gun smoke.
You got this, Arthur. You've already done me a big favor today. Okay, Miss High and Mighty. And nice pants.
لا بكي أخيرا كلهم بماتشتان الرن. Бля, дальше одно вроде говорит, заеба. А ты оборот, что ли?
Hey, old girl, come on down here. Why don't you show us this creek you've been pissing in? Always rain crushing and bubble bursting. Come on, Hosea. Let's go fishing. All right, gentlemen. Let me show you how it's done.
В смысле на рыбалку, бля? Бля, не хочу я на рыбалку.
Go on. Hold. Hold. You found it too? Why don't we just fish here? There's a whole lake of them. Because I need to get out for a bit. Me and the old guard. Before any of them back there, oh, there was us.
The curious couple and their unruly son.
It feels good here. You did well finding that spot, Arthur. More Charles than me. It's like I can breathe again, thick and soupy as this air is. Might even do your whistling pipes some good, Hosea.
I was once in this country with Bessie. Time. Feels like a lifetime ago.
It was a lifetime ago. But what a life we have lived. How well we have fought. Especially both of you. I hope so. But now, things are desperate. We have to stick with the plan. Make enough money, then find
Да,
something.
блин, калибран час кырдык инде. Минут 5 инде курдук. Got a little bit.
We don't have to hide.
Like where?
I got some ideas hatching, but I need you with me, not against me. Of course. Still, we do need money. So keep a low profile, especially in the local town. After Valentine, I want everyone on best behavior here. No trouble. But start turning over the soil and the rocks. See what turns up.
Söp.
We've got to be discreet.
Imagine what a slew of rich simpletons there must be down here. Oh, this is perfect for you, Hosea. You'll be able to play them like a fiddle.
Nothing would give me greater pleasure, but
No buts. Not today. We fish and we enjoy the day. Looks like law up ahead. Play it cool. Hey now.
hello, gentlemen.
Well, look what the cat drug in.
Well, look who it is. Quiet back there.
Let's see if we can't sort this out. How are you, boys?
Fine.
This is quite some country you have here.
We like it well enough.
Hoagie McIntosh, at your service.
Lee Gray. This is my deputy Archibald McGregor.
It's good to meet you.
You a Scot?
Partly. The best part.
Of course.
Now, tell me, sir, what did the silly, fancy fop back there do? Nothing too terrible, I trust.
He was accused of running a gold mining investment scam.
Oh, no. I'm sure he wasn't. He is a magician. I know him. He's a fool. But he is not a bad fellow. Now, can we just...
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Shit! The Anderson boys! I can't have more scandal!
Well, allow us to help, my friend. Arthur,
Chase wanted, man.
and take Archibald with you.
Just what I signed up for. Come on, big guy.
Perhaps we can discuss the foolish magician.
Stay with that train. Don't let them get away. Keep your guns holstered. We need them Anderson boys alive. Come on, hurry.
All right.
Come on, we're losing them.
Will you relax? We're not losing them.
Faster, come on. What's your name, sir?
Во, бля, мануаски придумала, бля, закончить гулять я мало придумала.
Callahan, please. My neck is on the line here.
I get it. I'm doing my best. Looks like the son of a bitch is gonna make it. You sure I can't just shoot him?
No, did I not say that?
You've said plenty.
Ooh, that must have hurt.
Аю, бля, пиздец, стал ног тут.
Get to the side of the train. Hurry, get alongside it. Get alongside that flat carriage. You think you can jump on there?
Me? Why me?
Because you ride like my grandmother. Now he's throwing bottles. Low down,
You cop bastard! I didn't do nothing! Ah! God! Arrest me now!
Run! Don't let them get away.
You're only making it worse.
Come on, shitbag. Go on, don't lose him. Bastard. Get the hell away from me.
Бля, Берги Хевен.
You
А я, бля. А я, сука. Фух.
Well, I don't think he's dead. I think I won the fight. Just about.
Bring him out here.
Deputy,
Sounded like quite a commotion. Is that him?
I sincerely hope so.
Old Anders Anderson.
What now?
Take him in. Come on. A fine job. Well done. And a pat on the back for me for stopping the train. Load Anders onto the back of your horse there, and we'll take him to Sheriff Gray. There you go. You are a natural. All right, let's take him in. Follow me.
What about the others?
Oh, we'll wrap him up. Anders back there is the ranger. That's really saying something.
You're the boss.
That was mighty impressive, sir. I have to admit. I'd hazard a guess you've served the law yourself at some point.
Well, I wouldn't exactly say
О, бля. Законник ли таки керевин вот ваннюга. Шебе влакта.
Harvey's tobacco field?
Так, короче, bu Андерсенки главаларын туттум.
Family.
Андан жана потом топытитлер.
Yes, we are in dire need of some rain round here, let me tell you. The Grays have lived in Caliga Hall for generations. Fine people. My family's been working for them for years. Sheriff Gray's the one I know best, of course, but they own half the businesses in town.
which town.
Rhodes, sir. You don't know it? Where we're headed right now. Ain't what it was before the war, but it has its charms. I'm sure you already know of the Braithwaites.
Like I said, just got down here.
Another big family in these parts.
Аллай на нью бар топун емен. Охотник за головами. Законникпын.
Truly awful. They've been fighting with
Драйвер
the
была
Grays
самый
as
гонщик.
long as I can remember.
Иккен биретне бизнес сапты.
Place you got here.
Анна Аллайга шейен, допустим, а такие задания хотя бы кинеком легко септей буду торатан кире. Нормально вообще такой даут. Там, бля, метка он хокнул рогался. Да. Бля, тук метка дейді, кыл. Закалипа, туй бы. Непонятно, что за метка, короче. Давай попросим вас не использовать оружие или чинить беспорядки в Роудс. Хорошо.
Here we are. Welcome to Rhodes. Up there on your left is the Rhodes Parlor House. Very reputable saloon owned by the Gray family.
Семья Греев.
Have a general store, gunsmith, post
Оружейная
office.
лавка, почта и, конечно же, железнодорожная станция.
And that's your friend, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna stop just ahead on the right, outside the sheriff's office. Can you grab Anders off your horse and carry him in for me? Come on, partner, before he wakes up. Carry him over then. Hey, fellas.
Mr. Gray! We got him. Very good. I told you Arthur would deliver. Man has a passion for justice.
Next one.
So, about my friend here?
Your idiot friend is free to go. No more trouble from you, partner.
I promise you, this was all just a big misunderstanding. However, I want to thank you for the offer of my
And I appreciate it. Mr. McIntosh, it has been a real pleasure. The mostly good citizens of Rhodes, we welcome you.
Well, we're just honored to be here.
To make your friend behave. We got enough trouble from some of the residents, old-timers who've gone, sadly, to seed and lost their dignity.
How terrible. Come along now. I will keep this fellow on the straight and narrow.
Come back and see us sometime soon. Excuse me, gentlemen. Oh, these better be ugly rumors. Is it true you were seen talking to that wretched Penelope Braithwaite?
Can't thank you enough.
Where have you been?
Around,
And where are you staying?
I'm renting a caravan on the edge of town behind the church. It's horrible, but no one comes looking. The whole town is trapped in this interminable feud between the two families. His lot, Gray's, and the Braithwaites.
Interesting.
Two old plantation houses, falling out, rebel gold, marrying cousins, not marrying.
Arthur, Jose, start poking around. See what you can find out about that.
I have missed you, boys. I've heard about bounty.
There's been a price on my head for 13 years. It'll take them months to find us down here. It seems like we can have a little sport.
Well, they're good bounties.
Where you hear this?
Some fellas I met at a camp near the state line said there was talk of it in bars in the north and west for 500 miles. There was talk of super agents. Some said.
Super agents. I'd love to meet one. It's just talk. Okay, so these two plantation families. Arthur, you start sniffing around the Gray's place, see what the story is there.
Yeah, I passed by it earlier with our friend Archibald.
Good. Hosea, you see what you can find out about these Braithwaites.
All right. Thank you, Arthur.
Quite a fishing trip.
Still time. I'm up for it.
How about you, Arthur? Have you had enough of the chase for one day?
I'll need to relax someplace.
Ay, kyllä boltak maa yapacağız.
Fair enough. It looks like it's you and me, old man.
Doktor? Доктор, шериф офис вводит.
Okay there? Evening, sir.
Evening.
Keep to yourself.
Охрана за городе. А, вот чего А я кукуруза. من التاغت.
I've been helping the sheriff with some trouble. Wanted me to have a word with a few of the folks on the property here.
Damn it.
traveling man here, and suddenly there's a whole phalanx of mysterious but strangely helpful Yankees about the place.
Who's there?
What are you doing here?
Just looking for work.
Looking for something. Don't worry, your secret's safe with me.
What secret?
I got a secret of my own.
Are you secretly normal?
Excuse me?
Never mind.
Thing is, I don't care if you kill the whole lot of us and the Braithwaites.
I don't want to kill anyone.
I love her, you know.
Love who?
Penelope. But it's impossible.
Love tends to be complicated.
Короче, блядь, мегавер территория, путешествие годи в этом мало. Печально.
Hey, you better follow that order, right?
Я мега бля. Хорошо, хорошо, ржет тут лапы. Типа костюмінде енді кнопканы. Тура.
About to get you shot, Yankee. Get out of here.
That's real hospitable. Good day.
You best be going now. Get going now. We shot folks for less than not heeding a warning. I think we got a spy. You come back, there's something amiss with you.
Да, бля, парни. Так, рука. Ben bugün tehirlisinde. Ben bu bırak bunları. А что если я ножом буду их упирать? Заебал. Тише. Что? Охранники подняли тревогу. И как они это заметили? Так. Ту, бля. Ща ты гадреп. Ты паштрец, бля. Обходи на кола конкретно равно. Не обязательно же так. Да, реально красотка.
Penelope Braithwaite.
Yes, I am.
I've got a letter for you. And a gift.
A letter and a gift. Well, we don't even know each other.
Well, it's not from me. It's from,
From Bo. Bo, he is so...
Strange.
Yes, he's a little strange, but also so human. The rest of our families are stuck in the dark ages, or, well, I don't know, cave people, perhaps. Bo's different, but if they find out, they'll kill him and send me to live someplace awful, like Ohio. Have you ever been to Ohio, sir?
No.
Well, neither have I, but my uncle has a factory there. He was sort of the black sheep on account of having left, but now they tolerate him because he's a vicious snob. Families are there's something else. You got a family, sir?
No.
Изюм. Ну, харма, сохранит быстро на камень. Ёпа, барстоит 9. Что? Мо. Молю хочу поговорить сегодня. Бля, это мне налет. Тоқта бастан болғыр пынадым. Так, бовары қара, сейчас. Идем берем Волга. Таптал туғыға демара.
Okay there, boy. Great family business. Coming through.
Танцую, блюдо для тебя письмо.
You got my money?
Sure. Did she give anything? For me?
Yes.
Might I have it?
Sure. I can't be bothered. Here, take it.
Thank you, Arthur. You'll... Thank you. My God. What a woman. She's... This'll get her killed for sure.
What?
Women's suffrage. Around here, they don't even like men voting. They'd bring back the monarchy given half the chance. Progress is a dirty word in these parts. Unlike incest,
Excuse me?
I don't want to marry my cousin Matilda. I want to marry Penelope. But they're gonna... They'll kill her at one of those rallies they're holding. They've done it before. Mister, you gotta help.
I'm afraid I don't want to bother.
I'll pay. My family still got some money.
Fine. Just no more running around with letters.
Thank you. Come on. Let me get going.
الردود كاميرا.
Come on! Come on! Yeah! We'll go around the block to town.
know that.
Do something, please.
Do what? Fight this mob? They'd eat me alive.
This is no laughing matter, sir. They need protecting from certain elements. Mostly my family. Penelope, I beg you.
I'll tell you what. Your friend here can drive the wagon for us. It'll allow us to shout all the louder. Hooray!
Sure.
Miss Calhoun! Miss Calhoun! My friend here says he can drive the wagon.
Well, Olive Calhoun. Normally I like to drive myself, but today I feel like a man joining us sends the right message.
Well, I ain't never been in a protest march before, madam.
Well, just treat us like the sheep, and the folks attacking us like the wolves, and I'm sure you'll feel right at home. Shall we go? All right, ladies. We know our song is a good one, and we know our cause is a pure one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let liberty reign! We're mothers, wives, housekeepers, and daughters. We cook the food and we fetch the water.
قلت
Freedom and glory be. Now, take us down Main Street, right through town to the steps of the Becker Roads, Mr. What was your name?
Arthur Morgan.
Very good, Mr. Morgan. Not too quick and not too slow. We need them to hear our voice.
Well, they'll hear it all right.
Very good, very good. Mr. Morgan, are you an old friend of the movement?
I'm just a driver, Mrs. Calhoun. Maybe a shotgun messenger if it comes to it. I hope it won't.
Our message will be delivered peaceably, Mr. Morgan. You can keep your shotgun to yourself. Stay on Main Street. It's a left up here, Mr. Morgan. Look at these people. It's about to get exciting. I can feel it.
I believe you might be right.
Good day, Sheriff. I trust you'll make sure it's a peaceful assembly. Oh, do give it a rest, you sorry fool. Mr. Morgan, I give you the male of the species.
Yeah, that's a pretty dumb specimen, I grant it.
Almost there. Take us just a little further, please. Those are the steps, Mr. Morgan. Stop in front there, and then all you need to do is listen. Ladies, get down!
Come on! Go home! Shut your mouth! What the hell is going on? Well, man! Oh my God! Get and cause all this trouble! You don't even know what you're getting!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day for all of us. For today is the day we begin to live as equals. Yes, equal, sir. Fair and equal.
This is unnatural! This is nonsense!
Fair, equal, and free, just as the founding fathers intended.
Founding fathers, not founding mothers, you silly old goat!
His philosophy
Hey.
dependent on biology.
What the hell you doing here, boy?
Keep your voice down. I'm trying to listen to the speech.
Hello, darling cousin. Don't you ever speak to me like that.
What are you doing here?
Listening, I suppose.
Go help Bo. His cousin is a moron. And stop them from ruining the speech.
You need to learn yourself some manners, cousin.
Haven't you got anything better to do?
Oh, you always was
Bo,
a cocky little...
weren't we just leaving?
Who the hell is this?
Follow me.
What? You'll hit me?
Come on.
Sir, can you not see how idiotic you are?
Come on, Bo. Let's go. Quick now.
We gotta go before they think twice. Oh, Lord. Follow me. I know a place. It's an old battlefield no one goes to.
seriously, Mr. Morgan. My cousins are my primary concern right now. If everyone knows about Penelope and me,
Everyone knows about Penelope and you. I know about Penelope and you, and I've been here all of 10
Анна говорит, все уже знают.
the sooner it's dealt with, you mean, we're dealt with. Our families, the Grays and the Braithwaites, we bury our secrets, and we bury them deep.
Secrets and your treasure.
You know, Catherine Braithwaite's got a daughter. No one's seen her in years. She weren't right, you know, and Penelope said,
I ain't heard about daughters. I heard about gold.
but Yankee gold? I fear that's just a story, Mr. Morgan. I don't know. This is awful.
Nobody died. Ain't that awful?
My cousins are vindictive bastards. My brothers are vindictive bastards. My cousins are worse.
They started it.
I know, but
You should leave.
I will. As soon as I have enough money. When my family, we have money, but I don't.
Is your family very rich?
Yes, well, I believe so. But they keep me out of the discussions. I have more of a artistic temperament, so
Oh, is that what they call it?
yes. Oh, you made a joke. I really love her. I do.
Well, stick around. Maybe you can die for her as well.
I thought you were trying to make me feel better.
I gotta go.
Me too. Oh, damn! I'm gonna be late. My uncle is quite as bad as you would imagine. Here, your payment. Thank you. Excuse me.
$30. Бля, остромов-то что ли? Сука, нахуй. Уйти. Да, отдыхала конца вы можете изготовить. Да, я знаю. Так там еще бултовку надо. Так. Это нихуя ратан галип, матнахалан галип бихионьон. Он уже будет. Маннаганнал рада пасен денева болтах. Тоқтам карта хөрөнки белән тоқтар. Маны мек кыллар. Өстөп турабыз. Сорак. Бады ханисен. Да кто такой это Лейман, бля?
Not a smart move to travel alone in these parts, especially looking like you. You look like you might need a... Yep.
Лейманы косили, но что-то уже бесит на. Опа. Опа. А вот и они. Четко это вроде ходить. Нормально, блядь, читать нахуй. Так, теперь меха урод сукур командоры хамисника барнатлам мехвард.
Out of the way!
Can I help you? Ooh, that's quality.
Доктор. Блядь. Назад. Пить. Чувак, доктора. Соленое мясо. Мясо взрослого. Сгодни надо. Бем бога буду мадугать.
Time to go, boy. Thanks, partner.
Стоп. Кто-то оттуда ты. Бо. Продвигать. Нахуй надо, бля.
He left me. I lost him. I lost him. Someone must have seen an Englishman. Really funny he is.
Hello, mister.
Listen, have you seen... I'm looking for my friend, Gavin.
I don't know any Gavins, I'm afraid.
English bloke. Lovely fella. He went missing and now I'm all alone.
Good luck.
That's
That's too bad.
Так, а так пока бітіреп, хадда лоял. Тохтуга макирия. Только уже PUBG вырапытался. Либо ганскалер автура. Устатым дağınık edip ucun bıkkı. Çakal.